Where are all my fashion enthusiasts? Stephane Rolland has done it again with yet another magical collection. His summer 2023 couture collections took the fashion world by storm as it graced the prestigious Palais Garnier runway, mesmerizing the audience with its captivating blend of sophistication and modernity. It was a symphony of black and white quality silk material adorned with opulent gold embellishment, adorned with ethereal creations that floated down the runway, leaving spectators in the state of awe. His collection was inspired by the eternal Maria Callas, who was a very powerful and influential opera singer in the 20th century. Each garment of his exuded timelessness, effortlessness, merging classic silhouettes and avant-garde design elements. Stephane Rolland's masterful craftsmanship was evident in every meticulous detail as it explored the interplay between light and shadow, creating a dramatic narrative within each ensemble.